Carl, I have your adambomb150 finished up. So this thing has been through some shit. It started on this frame. I think this is my third time fixing it. So the first time you broke one of these frames, it wasn't this one though, and it had the Zeus stack on it, and then after I fixed that, you brought it back and it had caught fire. Actually, I still have that Zeus somewhere. Look at this thing. It just fried. That was on 4S too. Thing just got destroyed. So yeah, it fried, but then we kept the frame because it wasn't broken, and we swapped it to a HGLRC stack, a different one. And then the frame broke again, so now we're trying a new frame. This is the airbladeuav 150 Atom Bomb Edition. It has the HGLRC stack and the HGLRC, I think it's the ELF camera. XM Plus, the XM Plus is in the back here towards the bottom. So when you get it, well, I'll show you when you come over to pick this up, but bind button's down at the bottom on the right. I bound it to my radio already, and I was able to just stick these tweezers right there. See, I'm clicking it right now. It's clicking. So very easy to get to the bind button. We added a lollipop V2 just because the skirt is made to hold one, and I didn't really want a dipole just sticking out of there, so threw a lollipop in there. I also got a few sets of these props to try out, and I don't have a 3-inch right now, so I threw a set on here for you to try. I already did check them out on another quad. I can't remember. The other day I checked them out, and they're super quiet and really powerful. So the best thing about them is that you're going to get longer flight times with the same amount of power. It's kind of crazy how you get the same amount of power as you would out of like a 3-blade, but it's just how it is. I don't know if it spins faster or what, but these are hq3030s, 2-blade, and they're badass props. I highly recommend these, especially if you're building a micro for a little bit longer range, or you just like longer flight times, less hot batteries, stuff like that, you know. So definitely check these out. They're awesome. I got these at Airblade. I haven't seen them anywhere else. They're pretty new. They have a few different colors, and they're just awesome. So the skirt fit nice on there. I just went ahead and made the stack go all the way down to the base plate. You can see it's almost touching it right there. It made the skirt stick out a tiny bit more on the sides, but it doesn't look bad to me. It looks pretty good. I like it. So yeah, it's good to go. So yeah, let's do a little test hover. Oh, I forgot another thing too. This is an updated base plate for this frame. If you can't tell, the old one didn't have these slots right here with this extra carbon sticking out. So now it has these slots for battery strap to fit in there a lot better. Especially if you use bottom mount, you know, it's a little bit wider than a battery would be, so it'll wrap around the battery much better. It's a lot easier to get a strap in here as well, you know, without having to worry about going under the stack and everything. So yeah. Oh, and then there was one other change, and that was more carbon was added in between the slots and the outside edge of the arms. So it's going to be a lot stronger there, because I did see one of these frames break right here. So after that, we had added more carbon to this, so it should be a lot stronger than it was. So this should be a pretty damn strong frame now. So let me grab my radio and show you guys a little test hover.
Welcome to OpenTX. Switch warning.
First, just listen to how quiet these props and motors are. Super quiet. Alright. Listen to that. It sounds awesome. It's so quiet. This battery's about dead. Yeah, I mean, it just sounds so good and so quiet. And it just sounds like it's gonna rip, especially on 4S. I mean, this is a dead 3S battery. Wait till you put a 4 cell on there and punch the throttle. You're gonna be pretty happy with it. The motors don't get hot. You're gonna get much longer flight times. Same amount of power as you would with any other prop. It's awesome. Alright, so that's about it. Make sure you check out my Facebook page, Adam Bomb Build and Repair Services. I've been doing some drawings on there for winning a micro quad built by me, brand new, high end. So make sure you check that out. I'll leave a link for that. And thanks for watching. And Carl, I'll see you when you come to pick this thing up. Alright.